Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to check given a string have any vowels present or not by using our TypeScripts. Okay, we are going to checking that vowel is present in a string using our TypeScript. Okay, that we are going to check today. Okay, that I'm going to show you both like uh, built-in and without built-in. Both the things I'll show you. Okay. Now I'm going to check vowel, okay, .ts file. Okay, this particular file is required some code writing. Okay, now first we are going to show that whether we have vowel in our given function or not. First, okay, function I'm going to create, okay, has vowel, okay, and this particular function will required for a string. Okay, type is I'm going to make it for. You can make for any or you can make it for string. Both are same. Okay. Any will accept for all the type of values. String it will allow only for string type of value. Okay. If you pass for integer, then automatically it will make as fail. Then this function will return for true or false. If that particular function having for vowel, it will give you for true. If that particular function doesn't have anything, it will give you for false. Okay, like that I'm going to make it. Okay, my constant. Okay, I'm taking as a constant my vowels. We are going to declaring that vowels in array. Okay, inside the character array. Okay, first vowels is A, E, I, O, U. Right. First, I'm declaring A and then E. Then I'm going declaring for I and then I'm going to declaring for O and then I'm going to declaring for U. Okay. This is my vowel. Now we are checking for built-in function. Okay. We are using for built-in function. For the built-in function, you need to use for return here. Now my str it will come because we are going to call that str to lowercase. I'll convert. If you are passing as a capital letter, then we are converting into lowercase. Otherwise, it will make as a fail. Okay, because of that, I'm converting into a lowercase, a dot, a split, which you are going to spend that particular word. Given word have a vowel or not, right? Now I'm splitting with a comma, and then I'm doing for some. Okay, in this particular sum, I'm going to make it as a char. Okay, this char as a function. Okay, and I'm going to make it for vowel. Okay, vowel dot includes. There is a method called includes. Okay, you can take for includes or match. Both the cases are it will come as a same. Okay, char. Okay, I'm checking for the char now. Okay, now I'm going to print this particular case whether it will give you as a true or false. Okay, as vowels. Okay, I'm passing as a string. That string become a typescript. I'm passing typescript. Okay, this is the one, and another one I'll pass it, which is not have for vowel. Okay, I'll pass for. We should not pass for AE, right? Now B we can pass, C we can pass, D we can pass. Okay, then we can pass for AE, F we can. Okay, I'm passing like this. Now I'm going to converting this vowel.tsc. Okay. Now it will convert into JavaScript. Now again I'm going to use for these vowels. Now I'm running. See, one is true, another one is false because TypeScript E is there, I is there. Okay. Because of that it is giving for vowel it is presented and here it is not presented. Okay. This is the one. This basically it will give you for built-in function. Now I don't want to built-in function. I want to use for some for loop. Okay, I want to use for some for loop. Then how we can able to do? And here I will use for built-in function. Okay, both are built-in function. And second one I'm going to do for loop. Okay, here again I will create for function as vowels. Okay, this function again I'm going to use for string only. Okay, and again here also I will use for boolean and pass. Okay, here again I'm going to use for the same concept of this particular vowel. We'll mark it this time as a vowels. Okay, now this particular vowels we need to use for loop. Okay, now I'm going to use for loop. Which one we need to use directly? We need to use for vowels? No, we need to use for string for loop. Okay, for the string one by one we need to capture, right? Which is the word they are given. From that we need to extract one by one. Then we need to do, right? Now for that I'm going to use for here let I equal to 0. I is greater than str dot a length. Okay, and I plus plus. Now we are able to extract it. Now here let char. Okay, I'm mentioning the char str and mentioning for I dot to lowercase. Okay, if it is coming as a capital letter, we are converting into a lower letter. Okay, then again I'm going to check for loop. Now this for loop, what will happen? First, which is the string we are providing to verifying that particular string, one word it will take. Okay. Now we are extracted one character. For that particular character, whether in that vowel which we are provide the vowel, whether any one it is matched or not, we need to do. Okay. For that again we need to rotate the for loop or vowels. Okay. Now again for vowel purpose, I'm going to use for let j equal to 0 and j is greater than vowels dot a length j plus plus. Okay, now this particular one again I need to check if my check is equal to vowels j value or not. Okay, which is it is matched or not. If it is matched, mark it as a true. Okay, otherwise return false. Okay, now we are going to returning a false. Okay, same case I'm going to use for to printing purpose. Okay, two different words I'm going to passing. Okay, now here also same. Now here yes, yes. Okay, this is a loop. Okay, now again I'm going to run for this one. First we need to compare. Then again we need to run. See, loop also same thing. True or false it is given. Okay, both built-in as same and loop also is the same. Okay, like this we can able to do for whether we are given string having four vowels or not. Okay, I hope it this entire concept help for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.